What's up everyone, I hope you're well. I have another video on the strategy I mentioned before, but I haven't used it yet. The financial markets, Williams mentioned it. It's 15 seconds on time frame, guys, with 1 minute expiration time for this video. Use an amount of $32. I'm going to make 3 trades. I'm going to follow component interest. What component interest? Whatever you want in the first trade, you put in the second or third trades, and that way click adds up your account. Let's go to the classics. As I said, the time is 15 seconds. Classic candles, time frame 15 seconds. Okay, Williams right here. All right, and let's configure that, man. So we got this 14 on period. We got that. All right. So guys, be careful with that. It's work more in favor of the trend, not against it. If the trade is against it, I'm going to lose. Let's make sure the trends are clear with me. Look at the Williams here. Okay. That is pretty nice. Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, maybe the seed of the one. I don't want to know what the candles rose suddenly, right? So that's more or less the expiration. I'm going to look for the first entry, and when I get it, I will take it and explain it. Or did I enter the upside in the GBP pair? Which you can see. Well, it's a bit flatter here, isn't? But anyway, let's trade the markets, and this, we got this with the buy trend, all right? And uptrend is the buy button, the green one. And guys, the indicator is past the red point. It means it's a give me an entry asset. The difference from this entry is that this is the range. And remember, that range are difficult to trade because, well, within the middle, I don't know if it's going to win or if I win it just in the time. But based on this, well, the Quotex tells me to deliver here, click and let it fall. Well, that's what I'm watching. Okay. Someone once asked me, are stars used for volatile marks? Sometimes yeah, sometimes no. If it is start to range and you enter very high, right? In this case, what does tell me on that? Doesn't happen. Doesn't happen this, doesn't happen here, right? We don't have this. And look, these guys, we got our first one. Okay, first position win on that. I have the first here. The indicator gave me the delivery and gave me the candle delivery on that. Okay, quickly, what fell was the payments. Well, okay, I'm going to look for another entry. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. When I have it, I take the explain here again. All right, and clear or not, let's see where the closes it. So we got a downtrend, a hit one, and it started to go up again and get a revert. Look the point on the wheel here. Okay, because of that we hit the sell button. Because I don't think so what is important. It's good to see in this video, right? Sometimes you have to short the wheel indicators, line break the green line strongly or the red line to buy button. On the second candle, of course, the first position is higher. Okay, but I have the confirmation here. When it's passed below, it's giving me the entry. 1 minute. Well, I entered because I thought it was going to close above. When I entered before, the prices jump a little. The trends of the asset is clearly bearish. Notice how the weight is building up strongly. Then it's pulled back and give me the entry. That's the criterion. Then a second to go. Okay, look at this. Well, I have my second financial marker here. We are getting to 4, 3, 2, 1. We are about this, and we got again $101. That's 15 seconds. You see that it would happen it here. We got this again, and also gives me the win. And if you look, you guys, it also gives me that. Okay, well, I have a second position of nothing. I'm going to use 100 or the last one. Let's try to take this risk. Look for the trends. Okay, pay attention on that. Look for the Williams We got now that position on the red line. Okay, so for us, the best for now is to use the buy button for that. Let's wait for that, take the confirmation, and get ready for this. All right, the session is taking place for the afternoon of this video, so we're seeing good stable market, so to speak. I'm going to look for an entry when I have it. I take the explanation, a possible upward position in the Euro CAD, right? My last trade. Let's add this to the favorite. Just click on the star, guys. That is pretty simple, as I said for you on the live session. Okay, and look at this, guys. That's very similar for the previous one. All right, the lines is almost the red line. You can see that's on the Williams. Okay, let's see if the green candles appear at those. If it's not green candle, let's see if it lets me enter it going in. I have my doubts. I will wait for it to see the battle for it fall below and then for the green candle not appear. Come on, guys. Come on, come on. Always have to wait for positive candles. Okay, we need to wait for that. Whether it's up or down, depends on the movement. Because if you say no, it looks at crossing up or down. But if the candle doesn't, it doesn't give me the price option. That is, there's no intention for going up or down. It's better to wait for the candle. It's very small. It doesn't tell me much. And that way you can avoid the false entry, the fake situation. Here we go. Good support. Okay. Just pass outside the boundaries, the red candle. No, sorry. The red line of the Williams. Look at this. I think that I got an entry right now. Let's see 2 more candles. Let's wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see, that's the green candle. Let's wait for that. I'm scared. I think that's ready for the support. Seeing the position reaction. Now the green candle appear, and that one works for me. Alright, it could be, but I'm not jumped. That's in the afternoon. This is a bit homely. That's when the small rains tend to form. Wait for it, the little green or for it back. Come on. We didn't get confirmation yet, man. That's tough. Okay, let's wait. Seriously, this can smell it something because it's already been delivered, right? I'll show you write it up. No one more. And that's what I have to watch, guys. Out of because sometimes it does this, right? That's because that's necessary to pay attention and get patient with this. It's here is going up. Let's wait. Here's it down, but the price is going up. Imagine it falling. Okay. Here's look at how rejecting candle and it's going up for this. Yeah. Very good. It's always difficult to know, guys, isn't it? When there's gathered here, the price jumps from here to there. We can see that. But look, the price comes back to rejection. Now its indicators more strength. The candles doesn't, but the Williams indicator is very high. Yes, but the price hasn't moved into the much either. And that whole is going up. We don't have things to know that what's happening with this. Indicators here is going to fall. To hold the whole decline. No, that's because this trend is bullish, right? Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. Look at this, it's down here, right? It's pay attention. The last trade, guys. Let's see how the last trade turns out for this. And we got the last win. $173. I won the last one here with financial markets. Okay? That's pretty nice. It seems very good. The person who is starting out has to go with the trend, but very patient. Wait for it to get below above the base trends. You trade against it, right? No. Here's going to fall and go in the lose, but I wasn't against it. No, it's how the movements work. They were really in favor of the trend. Your account from $32, $174 in this video. And wow, I'm leave with that profit, guys. Give it a like, subscribe, leave your opinion in the comment. And wow, see you on the channel, guys, during the live session. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye. I hope that you enjoy.